If you're looking for dog treats by Health Extension, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Treats by Health Extension. Number 1, Most Popular by Health Extension. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Health Extension. Number 3. For more details about these dog treats products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Health Extension. Find these dog treats by Health Extension at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Health Extension Bully Puffs. Number 7, by Health Extension. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dog treats by Health Extension ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.